Tired of project chaos? Let's tame it by adding team members to your Basecamp projects, making collaboration a breeze. First, log into your Basecamp account. You'll land on the home screen where all your projects are neatly organized. Now, select the project where you want to add a new team member. Click on the project title. In this example, we'll click on Marketing Campaign Q3. Once you're inside the project, look for the Manage Team button, usually located in the top right corner. It might also be labeled Members and Access. Click on it to open the team management options. Here, you'll see a list of existing project members. To add someone new, find the Invite New People or Add People button, then give it a click. Now, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. If you're adding multiple people, enter each email address separately. Next to each email address, you might have the option to assign a role or specific permissions. Select the appropriate role for each new member based on their responsibilities within the project. Finally, click the Send Invites or Add People button to send the invitation. The new member will receive an email with instructions on how to join the project. That's all there is to it. Enjoy more streamlined collaboration.